What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave and this is Hudson Motovisuals, and today we are going to install a new Motovlog setup for this Ruroc Atlas 4.0 in the Street King edition. This is a pretty cool helmet. Now you're asking yourself, Dave, why another Motovlog setup? There's tons of them out there. Yes, I know, but this little trick I've learned over the years where you get some clear audio from the helmet. There's two ways to do it. Obviously, if you do buy a premium helmet like this, the noise inside is quiet. That's the first start. But the second one, I'll show you what I do, and you could use it with any helmet and it will work perfectly. So let's get into it. So this is the Ruroc Atlas 4.0. I did a first impressions of this helmet. If you want to check that out, it's basically right here. Before you go watch that video, I'm going to show you what I use for my Motovlog setup and show you how you can get crystal clear audio out of your helmet. So this is the Purple Panda mic I use. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the little wind muff. It comes with the adapter to make this 3-ring to a 2-ring. You'll definitely need this because when you plug into a GoPro or a Insta360 like this, you need a 2-ring, and these rings are right on here, if you can see that. This 3-ring is the mic itself. In order to use the GoPro, you're going to need a 2-ring adapter, and that comes with the Purple Panda kit. And then obviously you got your chin mount here. You got yourself chinmount.com. They make it for every helmet, any helmet. Doesn't matter what helmet you have, they have something for it. Ruroc makes their own, but I got mine all from Chin Mounts. Then with the chin mount, you're going to use this little J hook. You could find tons of these whole kits and stuff off of Amazon. And by the way, all these products will be linked down below. Amazon, you know, if you want to pick something up, use my link, help out the channel. So this little J hook, and what I really like to use to take the camera on and off real quick is this Ulan quick release mount. This quick release mount is actually really cool. So basically, you have your basic GoPro style connector. What I like about this, makes a quick release mount. This is magnetic. Clip it on, twist. That's not coming out. This is good for when you have a, you know, you only have one GoPro camera and you want to vlog with your GoPro camera. You can just take it off the helmet real quick without unscrewing all the thumb screws and everything. So you take it off, just twist, it pulls right off. There you have it. I'll show you that. And what else I like about it is you can, in that Ulanzi kit, it also has a, if you buy like a cheap little tripod like this one, this is basically a $10 tripod, which is cool. In the Ulanzi kit, Amazon tripod has this quarter screw right on top. And also the Ulanzi kit comes with this one. You can screw this right onto the top, and this could be your vlogging. So you take your camera, which would be on this piece, click it right on, you're all ready to vlog. When you want to put it back on the helmet, twist it off, pull it off. Easy. This is a lifesaver, and I use tons of these even on the bike with the 360 camera too. And the final piece is my Insta360 One RS. I've been loving this camera better than the GoPro. It's more reliable. The only things I don't like, which I miss from GoPro, is that they have a media mod and they have a little microphone on it. This, you do have to, this is also a metal cage on the outside. That I always like to put metal cages on the outside of my cameras, just in case it falls, rolls down the street. At least if I do crack the screen, but the body's still intact, you could always replace the screen. The only thing I don't like about this setup is you do have to buy this mic adapter for this piece right here. And the mic plugs into the top. I wish it plugged into the bottom, which I like about, the only other thing that I do like about this is that you could plug your USB-C and charge it from the bottom. I wish it was just reversed. The mic was at the bottom because it just looks cleaner when you're on the bike. And then when you're charging it, it really doesn't matter. You could just plug it into the top. But what I usually do is I just take this piece off and just charge it like that. Now, just looking at the inside of this helmet, it feels really premium. So what I'm gonna do is show you where I put the mic to get nice, clear audio. So the first thing I usually do is place the mic. There's two ways to run this. This is probably one of the best ways to get clear audio. Is what I'm gonna do. I took this cheek pad, this one right here, the bottom one here, which is my left, because the mic port is on the left side of the camera. I kind of took it out. I didn't take it out all the way. You can take it out all the way if you'd like. But what's really good about, what I really like about this cheek pad, and I think they use this to put like a little smaller foam in, or you could pull out the foam and make it to your size. I have to double check that. Hold on. So they have, here's the cheek pad. What I really like about it is, see they have these paddings in here? You could really form fit the cheek pads to your liking. There's 3 of them in there right now, right? 3 or 4. Looks like 4. But in other helmets, is one solid cheek pad. So what I'm gonna do, and I did it with the other side already, I'm gonna take out one of the padding in there, but there'll be 2 little foam paddings in there. What I like to do to get clear audio is I'm gonna put the mic between those 2 foam pads with the wind muff on the microphone, and that's how I get crystal clear audio. On the Voss helmet, it had one single cheek pad. What I did, one single foam cheek pad. What I did, I had to do is I had to cut a little bit of the plastic, stick the mic in there, and that's how you get crystal clear audio, because it's more of a, that's another protection from the wind. But this side, what I'm going to do is going to take a piece of that foam out and then stick the mic in between the 2 pieces of foam, and then you have more barrier, so you don't get that wind noise and you don't get that crackling and popping sound. That's a little trick I learned using your cheek pad as a wind guard. Now, you don't need the wind guard on, or the wind muff on the mic if you do it this way, but Purple Panda comes with it, so I'm going to use it. So here's the foam. What I'm going to do is just pull one of the layers off. Pull one of the layers off and stick it back in the helmet. Now, it looks like, to be honest with you, it's really sticky, the 2 layers or 3 layers. So just be careful and peel it back. Now you can basically, you know, rip the whole thing, and that won't be a good thing. I took that little piece off. What I'm going to do now is take the mic I have. Like I said, this is the Purple Panda. I'm actually going to, here's the 2 pieces of foam. I don't know if you can see. Then I peeled apart. I'm going to stick the mic right in there. So now when I have the mic, I'm going to push it in there. We're going to adjust it to make sure it's facing the front of the helmet. And what's cool about it, look at this. Ruroc makes a nice little zip, so it makes it easier. You don't have to cut holes or anything. So I'm going to take the zip. All right, zipped it up. Now it's just cable management. So basically what I do with the cable, I just put it behind the cheek pad again, and then I just clip down the cheek pad. Nothing crazy. I don't snake it up to the top because I just don't want to basically take the whole guts apart of this helmet out. So there you go. So the mic is in here. Will you feel the mic on your cheek a little? You might. But if you put it in between those 2 pads, especially with this helmet, I think you won't be able to feel it. So I'm going to take the mic adapter now, obviously. We're gonna plug it in. This is another point of where this mic adapter shouldn't be flopping around. You do tend to sometimes get a little bit of a crackling and popping sound if this is hitting against the helmet. So you want to try to find a spot where you can maybe just tape it down. So with this, what I'll probably try to do is maybe once the J clip is on here, maybe just keep that piece right here on top like that. Maybe take a piece of tape or something to just keep it there, just like that. All right, so the mic is in. Put the helmet to the side for a second. So you're gonna take your J hook here, basically take the base of the Ulanzi quick release, and it comes with screws. What I like to use this is the only one that's kind of loose, just for the fact that when you do get this piece on and off the helmet, I'll show you, this piece is gonna go right to the cage of the Insta360. So pretend this is your helmet, nice and easy. You just click and it's on. If you want to take it off your helmet, just turn, twist, and pull off. And at high speeds, I've been using this for almost a year and a half. This ain't moving. This is not pulling off. It's not going anywhere. The sticky mount will come off before this does. And what I like about it is if you have your tripod, your cheap tripod, just take it. It's like, oh, I don't have another GoPro or anything. I don't like using my phone. Put this on here. Bam. There's your vlog setup. It's nice. Quick release. So we're gonna take our J hook here, put it right onto our helmet. I keep this bottom one that's connected to the J hook loose, just for the fact when you do have to twist this on, you're gonna hit the helmet. So I keep it loose a little bit, put it on, bam. There it is. Adjust it the way I want, and it gives a little height too, because I'm a shorter rider. Sometimes you can't see over my fairing on Motovlogs, so it gives it a little bit of a height too. Tighten that down. There it is. We're going to take our cord right here. Boom, plug it right in. There it is. All right, everything is buckled in. Now we're going to take the mic, which I routed it towards the back of the mount there. You can see it. Like I said, the only thing I dislike about this adapter is the mic port is on the top. Put that in, tuck that there. There it is. That is the setup. All right, let's throw it on real quick. All right, that's the setup right there. I am recording on here too. I don't feel the wires or the mic in the helmet. The helmet feels a lot better now since I pulled that one little strand of the foam off. Looks good, looks clean. The helmet definitely looks mean down the road. What I like about it too, when I need my camera right here, I can just pull it off real quick. Just unplug it, twist this a little bit so I can tilt forward. Boom, and I can vlog now. Nice little quick release. So guys, that is my Motovlog setup. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna go on the road. I got the Road Glide back from Get Lowered Cycles, so we're going to go out there. We're going to test the mic in here, see how it sounds, go in different speeds. So there you have it, guys. That's my Motovlog setup using the Insta360 One RS with this Ruroc Atlas 4.0 in the Street King graphic. Freaking badass helmet. So I'll go out on the road, test this out. You guys tell me what you think. How does it sound? And I'll let you know how it sounds in post. Also, all the links for the parts that I used are the links down below. Consider using them. It'll really help out the channel. They're all Amazon links. So it's nothing crazy. You're not getting any spam links or anything like that. So use them. Use them down below. So if you like today's video, guys, please hit that like button. Also, if you do like this kind of content in this video, consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, please hit that bell notification. Every time I upload something, the good old YouTube will let you know. So there it is, ready for the streets. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.